And so we'll end with so-called cosmic concordance. These two ladies are called Urania and Calliope. And you guys know who they were? Urania was the muse of astronomy, which was regarded as an art in the ancient world, and Calliope was muse of music. And they have some teaching assistants there with wreaths and whatnot. So this is what we mean by cosmic concordance, that all kinds of different cosmological measurements from different physics, different tools, different techniques, different redshifts are all converging to the same spot in the parameter space of energy density of matter and energy density of dark energy, in this case cosmological constant. So each of them has some uncertainty ellipse. You can trade off errors of one quantity versus the other, but somehow you put them all together and they all intersect very precisely at this one spot. And so this is why it's called the cosmic concordance. So any one of these measurements by itself doesn't tell you a lot. Microbackground tells you the universe is close to flat, and supernovae tell you there's got to be some dark energy, but only in their combinations you get those precision results. So the fact that we get same results from all manner of completely different measurements, supernovae, clusters of galaxies, microwave background, globular clusters, etc., is very reassuring and makes us think that indeed we know what cosmological parameters are. We may not know the nature of dark energy. We're not sure about the nature of dark matter either, but in terms of global descriptors, seems like we nailed it. And so this is today's best estimate universe, largely from Planck satellite. Those are currently the best measurements we have. And handy way to remember this is universe is 13.8 billion years old. Hubble constant's about 70. Visible stuff amounts to maybe 4.5% of everything. Variance amount to 4.5% of everything. About 30% of universe is matter, including dark matter, and 70% is this mysterious new thing. I'm not even going to call it substance because it's probably not substance, which is cosmological constant. So this is actually pretty remarkable that we can figure all this out just from sitting here on planet Earth and deducing things, observing distant universe just on past light cone. This pie chart's a little older, percents have changed since then, but pretty much tells you what's going on. And so that completes our cosmic journey. Just leave you with this picture just came out from the Hubble Space Telescope propaganda factory. This is one of their deep fields, but some new images were obtained, and they're in a slightly bigger picture than this with 10,000 faint galaxies. And you can see some closer ones. You can recognize the spirals or ellipticals, but every little dot in this picture, except for two stars that have diffraction spikes, every little dot is a galaxy.